Hey, welcome back YouTube, Facebook, to the Ultimate Break. We're about to open a box of 2010-2011 Panini Black Box Basketball. I actually ordered this thinking I might be able to get a Jeremy Lin without looking at the checklist first, and he's not even in there. So hopefully to make up for that, we'll find some good stuff. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay. Big old knife, I know. The only thing I had laying around though. Cut both ends here. This will slide out. Alright, let's see what we got here. Got the checklist. The cards. Serial number in there, 64. If that's anybody's lucky number. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got something good here. Let's see. Alright, here we go. Alright, base card. Got Nini. Number till 99. Next card here. Oh, very nice. NBA patch. David Lee, number 2, 149. Patch signature. Oh, dual autograph. So we got David Lee and Chris Mullin passing on the torch. That's nice. And this was again numbered to 149. It's a nice looking card. Next is a redemption. 2010 Panini status signatures, number 39. Let's see who that is. It's Rudy Gay. So, number 39, that is a Rudy Gay status signatures card. Good card. Next card we got here is a Ty Lawson autograph, number 2, 149. And we have a Jason Kidd 3-color jersey. A nice card, number 2, 25. Nice looking card. Then we got a Joe Johnson, number 99 of 99. And the last hit of this is an Isaiah Thomas. You can barely see blue down there, but 2-color jersey, number 2, 99. And if you can see that in there was a little bit of blue down the bottom of that. The other base card is Connie Hawkins, number till 99. That was a pretty nice box. I'm pretty pleased with this. Chris Mullin and David Lee passing the torch, dual autograph, NBA jersey. That's nice. And then the Rudy Gay. Alright. Well, if you watch this, you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, The Ultimate Break 1. We'll have more box breaks coming up. We'll have a case break of Timeless 2011 Football Timeless Treasures coming up. More to come on that. Check out eBay auctions. Some of these cards will be on there if you're interested in them. At search seller The Ultimate Break, all one word. Bid on these cards and future case and box breaks coming your way. And again, you can go to Facebook as well. Search the group The Ultimate Break, all separate words. Like the page there, and I'll also be putting up these videos, and you'll get inside scoop on when the next breaks are and cards that we're putting up on there. All right, we'll see you later.